Yo, what's up people? Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? And I hope you're doing fine. The reason for you being fine would be because I want you to enjoy my tutorial. That is all. Okay, welcome back to tutorial number I forgot. So let's get started. Now in this tutorial, we're going to be looking at a trick which allows us to see if there is repetition or a duplicate of a number. Okay. Now let us say that we have 100, 500 maybe, yeah, 501 records in here. And if I repeat any of these 501 records, it's going to say this record is duplicate or being repeated. Let me try 279. I get it and I don't get any error, right? Now to apply that trick, select this whole cell in here, and from the conditional formatting, go to highlight cells rules down to duplicate values and just press OK. But before you press OK, it's up to you to select the type of formatting or the type of styling that should be done. For example, the text should get red or the light red fill should be there. I would choose light red fill because it's more obvious than others. Obviously, you can choose the custom format and choose the kind of format you need. I'll choose this one, light red fill, and I'll click OK. Very good, right? Now I'm going to press 300 in here, and as you can see, it says 300 is being repeated. Why? Well, let's see if there is 300. How do I know? Because I actually put a list, rows is equal to the value in here. So this row 495 equals 495, the value. So I can pretty much assume that A300 is equal to A300 in here. And as you can see, this is also red. Why? Because it is saying that these two values are repeating. Okay, so this is how you can find duplicates. But if you remove this duplicate in here and get back to A300, as you can see, 300 is not a duplicate at all, because 300 now, because there isn't any duplicate for it, is just a valid unique value. Let's come back down, and in here I'm gonna actually press 501 or type 501. As you can see, these two get highlighted because anytime you're coming down, like let's suppose I write 200, 150, 700, oh not 700, sorry, because it's until 500. So I'm gonna say maybe 50 and then 70 and then 90, something like that. Okay, now if I am moving like this, I can pretty much see that there is a repetition of 50, 70, 90, and then 150, and then 200, and so on and so forth. So this is how you can know if there is a repetition or a duplicate value. So guys, this was the trick to find the duplicate values, and that was all for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.